Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is for the 9-volt EBL 600 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. It's a 6F22. So last time I purchased the whole kit with the charger and everything. So this time around I just bought the battery separately because I need more for the fire alarm. I got this $17.99 for 4 discs and free shipping. But the added tax and everything is $19.56. Let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, these are the factory seal. As you can see, it is in the string clear wrap. And these are the EBL 9-volt CF22. So the reason I go with the more expensive one because they have a nickel metal hydride, but those things, they don't last too long. Rather have this lithium ion, so I don't have to keep on buying a new set or more battery in the long run. So if you have like a fire alarm, I'm gonna test this out and hopefully it's gonna work. So instead of buying this kind of heavy duty or the alkaline 9-volt battery and then keep on throwing to the trash, so it is not good. You rather go green and then save the earth. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.